Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you and what are you doing? I am so well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Right now I am here in front of my shop and I am going to talk about my learning English. I want to learn English. I want to learn English because there are three purposes of my learning English. First of all, I want to learn English so that I can communicate it with others countries people, and secondly, I want to learn English uh, to get the huge knowledge from the international motivational speaker or writer, and thirdly, I want to learn English so that I can be smart and go ahead than others. As a beginner, maybe some mistakes, and that's why I apologize for my mistakes. Uh, I, Ibran, pray for me and like, comment, share, uh, share my YouTube channels. Assalamu alaikum.